Today we're making crispy fried onion air fryer fried chicken. But we're skipping the flour and egg dredge with one little hack. Let's get started. Start by carefully cutting a good sized chicken breast in half and patting it completely dry. Cover it with plastic wrap and gently pound the thick side until it's an even thickness. Now, instead of dredging it in flour and egg, spread a thin layer of mayo on both sides and season it with salt and pepper. These fried onions are already salty, so go a little lighter on the salt than usual. For the breading, crush up a generous half cup of crispy fried onions and combine them with half a cup of seasoned panko breadcrumbs and a half a teaspoon of paprika. Give it a good mix. To bread the chicken, place it in the mixture and lightly press down. Flip and repeat. Make sure it's completely coated. Set the chicken aside while you preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Once it's nice and hot, give that rack a light spray of oil and add the chicken. Air fry for 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. And look at that! Crispy, juicy, packed with flavor, and we didn't destroy the kitchen. Give it a quick temp check and it's ready for a sandwich, salad, or just the way it is. Give this one a try, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next week with my next recipe.